12:01 last Monday, facing chaotic filth like Smoky Mountain in most of our avenues and boulevards in the city. Hindi pa kasama dyan yung mga basura sa kanto ng iskinita at bahay ninyo. And timing, nawala naman yung dalawang kontratista. Now, let us not put blame to one another. Hindi rin sila biniyaran. Hindi na rin nila kaya. That's the truth of the matter. And the thing stops there. We move on. We assume, and it became a crisis, at marami pwedeng magkasakit ng mga kababayan natin. So at 2 o'clock, immediately after 12:01, on the same day, we took the responsibility and put things in right order.